analyze a stock's past performance, Yahoo Finance lets you download historical stock data in just a few clicks. Whether you're tracking trends, backtesting a strategy, or doing financial research, this guide will show you how to download historical stock data on Yahoo Finance. But to get started, go ahead and head over into that specific stock that you want to download the historical stock data to. And here you'll be able to find this historical data button at the left side of your screen, so click on that. And here you can go ahead and filter out the specific start date and end date of the stock that you want to actually check the historical data to. So you can set this into 1 year, 1 month, 1 week, 5 days, 3 months, 6 months. You can also filter out this filter, and you can also set this into daily, weekly, or monthly view depending on how you want to view it. Unfortunately, there is no option anymore to actually download this historical data, but you can simply view it on the website. To make the most out of Yahoo Finance historical data, use moving averages to spot trends, compare different stocks by downloading multiple data sets, and import data into financial tools like Python, R, or Google Sheets for advanced analysis. And that's it. Now you know how to download and use historical stock data from Yahoo Finance for analysis. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.